Welcome to day 6. Over the past months, I have shown you how to make your own slime. If stored properly, this slime can last for quite some time. I made this batch and stored it to create this month's project. I used a plastic cup from a past project that already had a jack-o'-lantern face on it, clear slime, food coloring, a little glitter is optional, and a mixer. I did have to stir my slime some to reactivate it. Add a small amount to a separate bowl. If you have some orange or gold glitter, you can add it to the slime. I added a little orange food coloring and mixed it well. This is an easy slime theme to share with friends this Halloween. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.